It's your girl Asia. I do hair reviews and occasionally I do mom vlogs and motivational cleaning videos. So today I'll be working with STHBESTI hair. I don't know how to say it correctly, so that's just, how I'm gonna pronounce it. But it came in this pretty pink silk bag. I love good packaging. A plus on that. It came with the headband cheetah print. It was so pretty. And the hair, it just tells you how many inches on the front. It's 18 inches and this is a 4x4. They already left some baby hair out for me and had 2 clips on the side and 1 in the back. And it also had adjustable straps on each side. So you can tighten it or you can loosen the wig. So now I'm going to put some edge control on my edges just to slick everything back. You do not want any of your hair getting stuck on the glue that we are about to apply. Also, put on your alcohol all along where the lace will lay. This is a 4x4 like I said, so it's just like straight across that little square part of my head. So that's what I'm cleaning. And just make sure all your hair is pushed back out of the way. Now I'm going to try on the wig just to see how it fits and how it's going to look. I did put the combs in to my braids just to be, more secure on the sides. And then I went in with my edge control and I just slicked my sideburns back also. So now I will be applying my Chic Bun Adhesive. And you just want to do like small dots across your forehead. Don't put too much or it'll take like forever to dry and it'll be all gunky and things like that. If you want it to be extra secure, just put multiple layers on. Don't put a lot. This was kind of a lot, but it wasn't too much. So I just spread it out as best as I could. You want to make sure the glue is not like gunked up on your head. You want to actually like take a popsicle stick or the end of a rat tail comb like I'm doing here and smooth the glue out as much as possible so that it can dry evenly and clear and faster. Okay, so now that we've placed the wig on the glue, I'm just going to press it in. Sometimes I use a bristle brush, sometimes I just use what I have. And I always cut the sides, the tabs on the sides of the wig on like 4x4s because I just think like it's just bulky and in the way. So I cut that off first and then I go in a zigzag motion and just snip with my scissors the front of the lace. And don't worry about the white on your forehead. You could put mousse on that and tie it down. You could put, your hairspray on it or anything like that to get rid of the whiteness. And always keep your alcohol rag nearby just in case you get some glue caked up on your head, or if you want to clean your utensils like the end of my rat tail comb, the alcohol rag definitely comes in handy. Now I'm just making my baby hair even thinner, and it was still a little too thick. I don't like, bold baby hair like that. I like mine to be like thin and natural looking, so I should have plucked the baby hair right here, but instead I just laid it. But later on in the video I will fix that because I don't like dark baby hair. So right here I'm just spraying the even. This is what really gives you the melt. if the hair came packaged like this, but it definitely left a hump when I had parted the hair out. The left side, my left side had a huge bump in it. I thought I could, lay it down with the wax stick and the hot comb or with the flat iron, but honey, it just wasn't working. So in this instance, you would need to wash your hair and mold it on the mannequin head with like your mousse and some hairspray. But I didn't do that. I wanted to show you guys how I apply it straight out the box. So definitely wash your hair when you receive it and mold it how you want to on the mannequin head before putting it on your hair. So now I'm just taking my cream foundation and going over my part just so that it can, look natural as possible. I got the other side as flat as I could. So yeah, we're just going to work with what we have. And I'll be styling it later on in the video to make it look more natural. So now I'm just taking my edge control and doing my edges. Usually I just do the 2 swoops on the side, but I tried to be all fancy and do a little middle swoop also. But it was a little challenging. Like I said, my first attempt at the baby hair, they were kind of dark. So I had to go in and tweeze and redo them. But you'll see the redone edges later on in the video. Let me know if you guys prefer thicker edges or thinner, sparse, more natural looking edges in the comments. And yes, I kept the whole clip in here because the struggle is definitely real when doing your baby hairs. A lot of people pass this and just edit it out, but listen, I'm keeping it in here just so you can see that I struggle too with edges, okay? And it takes practice, it takes time. Even the best of the best still have, trouble with doing their edges. But anyways, right here, I'm just spraying my Tresemme heat protectant on my hair. I prefer sprays over oils because oils just weigh your hair down. Like you can see on the side that I was trying to get flat with the wax stick is really greasy. So the more greasy and oily your hair is, especially if it's human hair, it's not going to be as flowy and as natural looking. It's going to be greasy and stiff. So just try to use like sprays instead of oils and be very light-handed with your wax stick. Right here, I am using the chase method with my bristle brush because I love body wave hair when it's straight because it's just like a more fuller look. But I ended up putting curls in this. plucked my edges and redid them. Now I am getting my, what is this, my powder foundation. I used the one that was a little too light for me, but you can always go back in with like a damp washcloth or your alcohol cloth and just dab where you put too much product. And I also applied like a darker product after I saw that it was too light. So yeah, I just decided to do a little style because I tried to put a bobby pin on my hair to get it to lay down. It still wasn't. It was extra greasy because all the wax I put on it to lay it down with the hot comb still wasn't laying down as flat as I wanted to, or as flat as the other side. So it was like really noticeable. So I did a little twist back and then I crisscrossed the bobby pin. Look at that fool in the back. But yeah, I had to end up putting some wax on the other side just to get it to look like the other side that was bulging up. And my baby hairs look a little bit more natural here because I did go in and tweeze them and relayed them. It hurts so bad. Be sure to give me a thumbs up if you are feeling this style. I think it was a pretty cute style, and for a 4x4 you could even tell that, you know, it was a 4x4 because the hair was styled like that. Anyways, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe and turn on your post notifications because I have a lot of units to do every single week that I have to review and film. But anyways, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.